Hey glow girls! Hair fall ruining your confidence? Weak roots, dull hair, and breakages? If these sound similar, don't skip this video. Today I'm sharing a simple homemade hair care recipe that supports stronger, healthier looking hair and leaves it feeling soft, shiny, and refreshed. Let's get started. First, I peel a medium-sized onion and I'll shred it finely. Onions contain beneficial sulfur compounds and antioxidants, which is why they've been a favorite ingredient in homemade hair care routines for generations. So girls, make sure to comment what's your biggest hair problem right now. Now I'm placing a clean muslin cloth over a glass bowl. Next, I'll transfer the shredded onion onto the cloth and gently squeeze out all of the fresh onion juice. Take your time with this step and extract every last drop because this fresh onion juice will be the foundation of our nourishing hair remedy. If you have hair fall, dryness, or frizz in your hair, comment below. Now let's prepare the next powerful part of our hair care remedy. First, I'm taking a bowl of cloves. Cloves are rich in antioxidants and have been a favorite ingredient in hair care routines for years. Share your favorite hair care ingredient in the comments. Many people include cloves in their hair care routine because they help the hair look healthier. Now, I'm adding 1 full tablespoon of cloves into a separate glass bowl. Next, I'm taking black tea leaves. Black tea is naturally rich in antioxidants and is loved in homemade hair care because it helps the hair look smooth, glossy, and refreshed. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of black tea into the same bowl. Now it's time for rosemary. Rosemary has become one of the most talked about natural hair care ingredients and is widely used in DIY routines for hair fall and healthy looking hair. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of dried rosemary into the bowl. Now give everything a gentle mix so the cloves, tea, and rosemary are evenly combined. And finally, I'm transferring the entire mixture into a saucepan. Here we'll prepare the next step of our homemade hair fall remedy. Now, I'm adding 250 ml of water into the saucepan. Give everything a quick stir. Then place it on the stove over medium heat. Let it simmer for 7 to 8 minutes so the cloves, black tea, and rosemary can infuse beautifully into the water. The aroma is absolutely amazing already. If you're struggling with hair fall, remember that consistency is everything. Hair care is a journey, not a one-day fix. Now our mixture is ready, so I'm turning off the stove. I'm placing a clean muslin cloth over a measuring jug and carefully pouring the mixture through it. The muslin cloth helps separate the herbs while giving us a smooth, clear liquid. Now I'm adding the fresh onion juice that we prepared earlier. Give everything a really good mix until the onion juice and herbal fusion are completely combined. And honestly, this combination is one of my favorite homemade recipes for hair fall care and a refreshed, healthy looking scalp. And finally, I'm transferring the mixture into a spray bottle. This hairspray can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 10 to 15 days. You can use it around 3 times a week as part of your hair care routine. To apply, simply spray it onto your scalp and along the length of your hair until slightly damp. gently massage it into the roots for a few minutes to help it absorb properly. Since the spray contains black tea and herbs, it is used in many DIY routines for scalp care and to support naturally healthy looking, darker, and more vibrant hair over time. Glow girls, what's your hair type? Dry, oily, frizzy, curly, or damaged? Comment below so I can create more DIYs especially for your hair type. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and support your girl. Take care of your hair. Bye bye.